People, and this is my first video of the day, and today I'm going to be, after a long time, I'm going to be reviewing a product which is there's this new Jharkhand based company. Yeah, I mean it's called MrilQ, which is it's this particular thing is called a luster oil. And trust me people, I mean I'm not going to reveal my age on YouTube. But I've used a range of products in more than 2 decades of whatever of 2 decades of experience. But this particular product is, I mean, it's a humble little bottle, but it costs 620 bucks, so it is expensive. But yeah, apparently it's made out of 20 different ingredients, right from coconut, clove, sesame, rose, basil, lotus, Bengal quince, grapes, flour, olive, and it is really effective. Like in terms of, if you have these little, like these pimple marks that have been on your face for like forever. So this kind of applying it every day, after a point, it's like I can sense that my skin is like it's closing up, and it's becoming it's becoming smooth. So I highly recommend all products by MrilQ. This is a cute little, I don't know, I think a startup that is, like I said, Jharkhand based, but I think amazing products. Yeah. So keep up the good work, people, and for all you people out there, just make sure to buy yourself a bottle of this because it is magic. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.